Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be all about repairing the hair, restoring it, rehydrating, replenishing the hair for its moisture. And as you can see, my hair is very dry, so if you're interested in seeing how I get my curls back popping, just stay tuned. Guys, so I'm going to be completely honest with you. I have not been giving my hair the TLC that it really needs, and so unfortunately it has been breaking off and it's been dry. But I'm so glad that for this video I partnered with Tgin and their Miracle RepaiRx collection to show you just how I get my curls back to the way they're supposed to be. So first I'm going in with their strengthening shampoo. Now this shampoo gently cleanses the hair without any harsh sulfates. It's free of all parabens as well, and it smooths the cuticle surfaces, and it also leaves the hair feeling very soft and smooth. Now I'm just going to work this all the way through my hair from the root down to the tip, making sure that I thoroughly scrub my hair so that I can get all of that product buildup out of my hair. So next I'm going to go in with their strengthening conditioner. Now the one thing that I really love about this collection is that it's consistent in its ingredients. This conditioner, along with the rest of the products in this collection, are enriched with black honey and coconut oil. The conditioner works fast to replenish the hair's natural oils, and it promotes healthy growth. The black honey aids in shine, while the coconut oil adds weightless moisture. So I'm just going to work this all the way through my hair and then detangle my hair using my wide tooth comb. Now some of you guys may like your detangling brush or a regular brush, whatever you prefer. Just make sure that you detangle your hair after you shampoo using any type of conditioner. So now it's time for some protein. I'm going to go in with their Curl Protein Reconstructor. Now I love protein treatments because they are a crucial part of maintaining healthy natural hair. It aids in strengthening the hair, repairing damage, preventing breakage. However, because protein is so rich, applying too much protein treatments too often can cause protein overload, which will result in breakage throughout the hair. Yes, that sounds confusing, but it's true. Too much protein can cause breakage. It can weaken the strands. So I usually do protein treatments every 4 to 6 weeks just to be sure that I'm not over processing my hair. So I'm just going to apply this all throughout my hair, rake it through, and then I'm going to sit under a hooded dryer with a plastic cap for 3 minutes. Alright, so to finish this wash process off, I'm going to go in with the deep hydrating hair mask. Now this hair mask restores life to dry, damaged, or color treated hair, and it also smooths, softens, and locks in moisture, and it reduces shedding and breakage. So now it's time to style, and I'm going to be 3-strand twisting my hair using only 2 products. So first I'm going to go in with their anti-breakage serum, and guys, just let me tell you, this serum is so lightweight. Like, look at it, it's so light. It adds so much shine and moisture, and it smells really, really good. So I'm just going to work this all through my hair, And then I'm going to follow that up with the Curl Food Daily Moisturizer. Now this product restores the nutrients in the hair and it hydrates dry and damaged hair. Now I can honestly say that this entire collection did exactly what it said it was going to do, because I'm currently on day 4 hair and my hair has retained its moisture, and I'm so pleased with the way that my hair has responded to all of the products in this collection. So here comes the fun part, the takedown. So I'm just going to untwist my 3-strand twist and separate my hair where it naturally wants to separate. Now this is very crucial when maintaining your definition. You want to separate the hair where it naturally wants to separate. Listen, if you don't, your hair is just going to be a crazy bush, and then you're going to be complaining like, oh, my hair didn't turn out the way the girl did in the YouTube. Sis, this is why you got to follow directions. So make sure you separate where it naturally wants to separate. So now I'm just going to go in with my pick. You may prefer to use your wide tooth comb, that works too. But now I'm just going to fluff and pull, fluff and pull, fluff and pull. I do not want to take my pick and work it all through my curls because I want to keep my definition. So now I'm just going to take my bobby pin and lift my hair up away from my face just a little bit, but keeping that same mushroom look, and fluff and pull. And then there you have it, guys. I'm so satisfied the way my hair responded to this collection. It looks amazing and it feels awesome. So guys, if you really enjoy my video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, I will see you all later. Bye.